What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right place. Today, unboxing for our June company for Year of the Beard, 8-Bit Beard Co. Look at this box. This is what we're going to tap into in just a minute. So stay tuned through the intro and we will dive into this box together. Welcome back. All right, so today, like I said, we're gonna jump into this box right here from 8-Bit Beard Co. based out of Ohio. We're gonna use our Victorinox Classic SD to get into this box. So we're gonna pull out the little blade here and let's see if we can cut through this tape. So this just arrived. This is our June company, 8-Bit Beard Co. So we're gonna get in here together and see what all we get to use. Now, if you are unfamiliar with Year of the Beard, 12 companies, 12 months. Each company gets their own month of their own products going in this beard. No other company has products going in my beard during that particular month. So let's see. A lot of tape, which is good. All right, I think we got all the tape. All right, so we got a card coming out. 8-Bit Beard Co. Check that out. Small family business. Our beard care products are handcrafted with organic ingredients designed to soften, condition, and nourish your beard and skin. Sean is the founder and creator. Let's see. Oh, man. All right. So we got a lot of stuff. Doug, thank you for taking the time to put together this series again this year and for the opportunity to participate. Some great companies this year. I hope you enjoy the products. Sean, he's got something that's got a new label that's not in yet, so he said it was handwritten. Look at all these stickers. So check that out. That one was upside down, so there's that one. All right, let's see. T-Ood Town. Another sticker. Another sticker. And a cool, unique, square business card. So, wrapped up, padded up. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Check this out. All right, so the box has a little bit of weight to it. So, second banana. So he said some of these would be handwritten because he did not have the labels in. So second banana. We're just gonna go with it as we start pulling out the box. Ooh, what is that? Coconut maybe? I mean, it's banana, I know, but I smell something else in there that's not banana, but it smells really good. That's unique. I've never had banana in a beard oil. All right, so Night Man. Oh, that's a cologne aftershave. You can see it's kind of a clear oil. Got a little bit of a yellow tint to it. What's this one? Metal Man. Let's see. That was very subtle, but it's a clean, kind of a fresh, clean scent. Bubble Man. What is this one? Oh, what is that? I don't know what that is, but it smells good. It smells familiar. All right, so here is these are the normal labels, and these other ones that we just went through, they do not have their labels on them yet. So check that out. Blue Devil. Those are some awesome labels. Now I was talking to Sean. He does all his own labels, all his own artwork. Oh, that one is a familiar scent too. I cannot pinpoint it. My nose, I don't know if it's the humidity today, but my nose is not working. the Thrilla Gorilla. Check that out. All right, so what do we have here? Ooh. Man. I'm gonna have to come back, you guys. I'm gonna have to come back and just definitely give you some information, because these are just, they smell so good, but I can't pinpoint. My nose is not telling me what these scents are. Now that one's kind of fruity, but there's something else in there on the back end. Pink peach. Check that out. All right. Then our last little bottle, I think, what is this? The Hero of Time. All right. Ooh, that's a manly, that's a cologne right there. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sample bottles. What is this? Robo Stash Wax. So a mustache wax. Let's see, how do you open this? Go. Comes with a guitar pick. I'm not gonna pull it out all the way so I don't drop it. Okay. So it's kind of real subtle. Ingredients: beeswax, pine resin, shea butter, and golden jojoba. So we will check that out. All right, so we are fixing to make a mess. All right, so we've got some big oils. Let's pull all this. Ooh, that's a big old. Try to do this without missing anything or making too big of a mess. All right, I feel like there's something else. Yep, there is. All right, maybe that is all. All right, so we can get this out of the way. All right, so now we have Black Forest Premium Handmade Soap. Ooh, that smells really good. We have Black Raspberry Vanilla Handmade Soap. Ooh, this one right now is on the top of the food chain. Almond Coconut. Nope, Black Raspberry is still on top. And Cedarwood Tea Tree. That one smells really good, but Black Raspberry Vanilla. Man. All right. So now what do we have in this big one? We have a candle. We have a soy candle in King Koopa. Tobacco Vanilla Twist. Ooh. Yes. That smells amazing. All right, so we have Duck Hunter Unscented Beard Butter. It's unscented. All right. And we'll go through each one of these products a lot more in depth for the update videos. So let's get into these. They have a shrink wrap on the lids. Tea Oud Town Blackberry Oud. Oh, that smells so good. Blackberry Oud, that is Tea Oud Town. All right, so what is our next one? King Koopa. This is the one we had in our candle. This is Tobacco Vanilla Twist. Oh, I love some tobacco scents and that vanilla with it. Man. All right, and then we got two more. All right, so Duck Hunter Unscented. Let's see if it is unscented. I don't get any scent. Now these do have the dispenser tops on them. They're a 1 ounce frosted bottle with the restrictor caps. And then last we have As You Wish. Let's see. Get that off. Trying to see if it gives us anything else. There's our label. Ooh, I don't know what that is, but we are gonna have to dig into that one. That smells really good. All right, so there you go. That is all our products. We have about 4 full-size beard oils. We have a butter, we have a candle, we have 4 bars of soap, and we have 8 sample oils. So we're gonna have a busy month of June, so make sure to stay tuned for all the updates. Starting in 2 days, I will be using these products. And yes, so stay tuned. There will be a link in the description for 8-Bit Beard Co. So get over and check them out. And yes, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.